Let's access OneDrive. First, open a browser. I like to use Google, but you're welcome to use any browser. Type in Microsoft 365 and log in. Next, you're going to look for the sign in link, which is here. Sign in. And the first thing it's going to ask you for is your email address. It didn't ask for mine because I've logged in before. Next, enter your password. Your password is the same password you use to log into your computer. Once inside Office 365, you're going to select OneDrive. Look for the Perkins 5 Materials folder, and then we will proceed through many of the documents here, and some of them you can read at your leisure if you're interested in more information. For example, the General Perkins Resources is one of those. So feel free to look around, and we will talk about all of this on our call. Looking forward to the discussion. Thank you.